If you have landed on this video, that means you are struggling to find out the best side hustle option for yourself, जो आपके पर्सनालिटी, आपके इंटरेस्ट, आपके वर्किंग स्केड्यूल, आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स, इन सब चीजों के साथ में मैच करे. But don't worry, in this video we are going to go through 7-step elimination process that will help you choose the best side hustle option for yourself. इस चीज का कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता था कि मैं एक और वीडियो उठा करके इंटरनेट पे ले आऊं जिसमें कि हमने कुछ बता रखा है और फिर कुछ चीजें हैं, बिकॉज करोड़ों लोग ये वीडियो देखने वाले हैं और करोड़ों लोग हैं इंटरनेट पे ये चीजें सर्च करने के लिए. हर किसी की पर्सनालिटी, हर किसी के इंटरेस्ट, हर किसी का स्केड्यूल, हर किसी के गोल्स अलग है, तो हर किसी के लिए साइड हसल ऑप्शन अलग होगा, उनकी प्रेफरेंसेस अलग होंगी. इसलिए मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि अगर मैं कोई रोड मैप, कोई स्ट्रैटेजी लेकर के आती हूँ जिससे आप अपने पर्सनालिटी, अपने इंटरेस्ट के बेसिस पर एक असेसमेंट करके एक बेस्ट सोल्यूशन फिगर आउट कर पाते हो, एक बेस्ट साइड हसल ऑप्शन फिगर आउट कर पाते हो, तो दिस इज बी द बेस्ट थिंग दैट you can do for yourself. Because let's be practical, choosing the best side hustle option is not about choosing the popular one, but about picking the one that aligns with your interest and your personality, your financial goals and your working schedule as well. Let's get started. तो मैं थोड़ा आपको ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ कि इस वीडियो में क्या रहने वाला है. तो मेरे पास है 20 side hustle options that are buzzing in the market and I'm very sure अगर आपने इस वीडियो पे लैंड किया तो आपके पास भी 5, 10, 15, 20 ऑप्शंस की लिस्ट होगी. तो इस वीडियो में हम एक एक स्टेप के आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते एलिमिनेट करते जाएंगे साइड हसल ऑप्शंस को जो हमारी चीजों के साथ अलाइन नहीं होते. एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू विल बी लेफ्ट विद द ऑप्शन, द 1 or 2 ऑप्शन दैट यू नीड टू ट्राई, क्योंकि वो आपके पर्सनालिटी, आपके वर्किंग स्केड्यूल, आपके इंटरेस्ट, आपके फाइनेंशियल गोल्स, आपके वैल्यूज और एथिक्स के साथ जाएंगे. सो द साइड हसल ऑप्शंस दैट आई एम टेकिंग राइट नाउ इज, एंड दीज आर जस्ट रैंडम एग्जांपल्स टू हेल्प यू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर. सो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज फ्रीलांसिंग. अब इसमें आप फ्रीलांसिंग में कुछ भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो, ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग, वीडियो एडिटिंग और एनीथिंग. Virtual assistant, online coaching, content writing, social media management, affiliate marketing, YouTube content creation, drop shipping, stock market trading, print on demand, mobile app development, photography, blogging, voiceover work, Amazon FBA, online courses, creating and selling, digital products, ebooks, templates, influencer marketing, web development, transcription services. So these are the 20 options that I'm taking in this video. Now the very first step would be eliminating the options on the basis of time and energy. You do not have unlimited hours in a day. And that's the first truth that you need to accept. आपके पास आपकी लाइफ, आपके जॉब, आपके फैमिली, घर के काम, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, वो आपके प्राइमरी टास्क है. दिस इज योर सेकेंडरी थिंग एंड यू हैव टू मैनेज इट अलॉन्ग विद दैट. इस चीज को कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता कि हम कोई ऐसा साइड हसल ऑप्शन चूज करें जिसमें हमें बहुत ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़े, बिकॉज आपके पास दिन के वही लिमिटेड 2 से 3 घंटे हैं जिनको आपको यूटिलाइज करना है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, सक्सेस इन अ साइड हसल डजंट रिक्वायर टर्न ऑफ आवर्स. इट्स अबाउट कंसिस्टेंसी एंड फोकस. इफ यू डोंट हैव द एनर्जी और time, don't waste it on something that you can't sustain. As a first option, I am eliminating stock market trading because I'm a full-time working professional and I do not have the bandwidth to stay on the monitor whole day and monitor the market कि कैसे क्या चीजें जा रही है. I have 2-3 spare hours only. That means it's not a right fit for a working professional. Second thing that I'm eliminating is Amazon FBA because this requires managing inventory, marketing and customer service, which requires more than 2 to 3 hours in a day. So eliminate it. So third option that I'm eliminating is print on demand because it requires you to set up the store, manage logistics and design products. So if you do not have that much of time, you can eliminate it. So step 2 will be elimination on the basis of skills. Here is the thing, not every side hustle is made for you. You need to pick something that plays to your strengths. For example, if you have a knack for writing, then content writing or copywriting can be the best option for yourself. But if you are someone who has never designed a logo in their life, then definitely graphic designing is something that you should never be choosing. So again, I'm eliminating few options. The very first one is stock market trading because it requires analytical skills, market knowledge and the ability to predict the trends. The second step, I am eliminating 2 things. First is content writing because I feel this is something that I'm not very much good at. Neither I'm willing to learn it because जितना मेरे काम में लगता है उतना I already know it. Rest I can delegate it in my professional work. And talking about the side hustle thing, I'm not very much feeling toward it. Second option is drop shipping. You need to have a strong knowledge of e-commerce platforms and marketing. If you do not have that expertise, eliminate it. In the third step, we'll be eliminating on the basis of personality. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Your personality matters more than you think. Are you an introvert who love working alone or an extrovert who love to interact with people. If you're someone who gets the energy from interacting with people, from being around the people, then coaching or social media marketing might be your thing. But if you are quiet, introspective person, you might be willing to eliminate those options. But blogging or content writing can be the best options for you because that does not require interacting with people. So as an example, I am eliminating few options. First is social media management because it requires you to be outgoing, social, or on the top of the trends. If you are introvert person, you might be willing to eliminate this. Second option is online coaching that needs great communication skills and passion for helping others. If you are more of private person, then eliminate this. In the fourth step, we'll be eliminating on the basis of your big why. Why are you doing this? What's your goal? Is it to travel more, achieve more financial freedom, or build a legacy? Be clear about why you want to start this side hustle, because if your side hustle doesn't support your bigger vision, you will burn out in no time. So अब हम eliminate करेंगे कुछ options को. First option is drop shipping. Example, आपका goal है long term legacy create करना, तो drop shipping can not be the right option for you. Second option is stock market trading. It can give you quick returns, but if you are looking for financial freedom, long term stability and wealth building, then this might not be the right option for you. For that, you need to get into the proper stock market thing. The fifth step, we'll be eliminating on the basis of investments. Here is the bottom line. Every side hustle option requires some form of investment, whether it's time, money, or both. Are you ready to invest financially, or do you prefer something low cost to start with? So the option that we are eliminating here is drop shipping because it requires lots of money on inventory and ads. If you do not have substantial budget, eliminate it. Second option that we are eliminating is Amazon FBA. So in the sixth step, we'll be eliminating on the basis of your age. Your age plays a role in choosing your side hustle too. So if you are a student with enough time but limited funds, then you need to choose a side hustle option that require less funds, or you can say less investment. So options like blogging, affiliate marketing, or content writing can be your thing. You just need to upskill and you can start showcasing your work in social media and you will start getting clients from there. If you are a working professional, your time is precious. So you might prefer online courses, coaching, or social media management. If you are a homemaker, flexibility is the key. So options like virtual assistants, online tutoring, or content creation might be better options. So if you are in your 20s with limited funds, eliminating stock market trading can be good option for you because you do not have the financial stability. It is a good option for someone who has a financial stability and experience as well. Next option is affiliate marketing. It can be great option for students and new professionals who don't have big investments yet. Third option is Amazon FBA. This might not be the good option for students or homemakers due to its investment requirements and logistical demand. In the seventh step, we'll be eliminating on the basis of category. Let's be real, your category matters. Students have more flexibility but limited funds. Working professionals have enough funds but very limited time. And homemakers have enough time but need flexibility. So you need to choose on the basis of your lifestyle. In this step, we'll be eliminating few options. Example, if you are a homemaker, photography might not be the suitable option for you because it requires creativity, being updated with their trends. If you are a working professional, then blogging might not be the good option for you because it requires you to showcase your life. It lacks privacy. Now we have come to an end of the video. अभी तक आपके पास जितने भी options होंगे उसमें से आपने एक एक option करके eliminate करा होगा. Example, graphic designing. I am creative person but this requires so much of patience that I don't have. So I would eliminate this. Next thing is virtual assistant. I might pick up this option because I have worked with people so closely in a professional environment that I know that I'm good at it. तो मुझे अपनी strengths का पता है कि ये चीज मेरे लिए better option हो सकती है. Next can be online coaching. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पास expertise है, example you are CS, you have the expertise, you can maybe do online coaching in this, but if you know you do not have the expertise, you might be eliminating this. Next is content writing. अगर आपको पता है you are into writing, आप starting से कुछ लिखते आए हो, now you can turn this thing into your side hustle option. Affiliate marketing, as you have already discussed, this is a very good option for homemaker, working professional and students as well because काफी कम time भी लगता है, काफी कम investments भी लगते हैं. Drop shipping आप eliminate कर सकते हो अगर आपके analytical skills अच्छे हैं, आप चीजें manage कर पाते हो, if you are coming from the factory background, the business background, this might be a good option for you, but if you are new to this, you might be willing to eliminate it. इस तरीके से अगर आप एक एक ऑप्शन को करके एलिमिनेट कर लेते हो तो you will be left with 1 or 2 options. एग्जाम्पल, जैसे अभी अगर मैं खुद के बारे में बताऊं तो जो ऑप्शंस मैंने स्टार्टिंग में लिए थे, आई एम लेफ्ट विद इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग एंड फोटोग्राफी बिकॉज आई एम क्रिएटिव पर्सन एंड वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट एज वेल. अब मेरे पास 3 ऑप्शन है. आई कैन गिव 90 days to each category and I can see what is working out for me. So 3 options जो मैंने choose करे, these are aligning with my goals, my interests, my personality, my working schedule. Let me know what are your 2 to 3 options in the comment section below. और ये चीज भी बताना आप मत भूलना कि ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, हेल्पफुल था या और इसमें हम क्या क्या चेंजेस कर सकते हैं और क्या टॉपिक्स पे आप चाहते हो कि मैं वीडियो बनाऊं. शेयर योर थॉट्स, योर फीडबैक्स, योर इनपुट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन below. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.